FSA BB386EVO Road Crankset with MegaEvo BB Cups installation on BSA frame. Tools: grease, FSA MegaEvo BB Cup wrench E0373. Torque wrench up to 55 Newton meters. FSA MegaEvo BB socket tool E0410. 10 mm Allen key. MegaEvo BB Cup installation. Ensure BB shell surfaces are clean and free of debris, dirt, or excess paint before MegaEvo Cup installation. Apply a thin layer of grease to the threads of the bottom bracket shell. Install the drive side and non-drive side MegaEvo bottom bracket cup by hand. Note that drive and non-drive BB cups are not the same. Each cup has a permanent laser etching to indicate the type, R right and L left. Tighten using MegaEvo BB Cup wrench, E0373. MegaEvo BB cups must be installed aligned in the BB shell. MegaEvo BB cups that are not aligned may cause BB shell thread damage and affect the crank rotation. Tighten cup to 45 to 55 Newton meters or 390 to 485 inch-pounds by using torque wrench with FSA MegaEvo socket tool E0410. BB386EVO Road Crank Arm installation. Apply a thin layer of grease to spindle surface that will contact the bearing. Completely insert the right crank arm and spindle through the Press Fit 30 bottom bracket cups. Apply a light layer of grease to bearing cover already installed in the bottom bracket shell. Install the wave spring washer over spindle on left side of bottom bracket shell. Install the non-drive crank arm over spindle. Thread the self-extracting bolt into spindle and tighten using a torque wrench and a 10 mm Allen key. Tighten crank bolt to a torque of 38 to 41 Newton meters or 337 to 363 inch-pounds. Be careful not to over-tighten the crank bolt. The wave spring washer does not need to be completely compressed for the crankset to function properly.